In this explainer, we're going to show you how to create specialized, custom versions of ChatGPT that can literally revolutionize your workflows.
All right, let's get right into it. Standard ChatGPT is great, but it's a generalist, right? A jack of all trades. What we're talking about here is building a team of specialists, tailored AI agents designed for very specific jobs. So first things first, what exactly are these custom GPTs?
Think about it this way. At their core, these are personalized versions of ChatGPT. It's like having an AI assistant that already gets you. It knows your processes, it understands your brand's unique voice, and it knows your goals, all before you even start typing.
And this is the crucial advantage, the real game changer. You know that feeling of having to write out those long, super detailed prompts over and over again for the same kind of task? Well, you can say goodbye to that. You invest the time just once to set it up, and from then on, you get this huge boost in efficiency every single time.
Okay, so how do we actually do it? How do we turn that generalist into a specialist? Well, let's break down the basic framework.
The foundation of your custom GPT really comes down to two key things: instructions and knowledge. First, you'll head into Explore GPTs and click Create a GPT. Now, you're going to want to jump straight to the Configure tab. That's where you get precise manual control. The instructions part, that's the heart and soul of your bot. It's where you tell it who to be, what its job is, and what tone to use. Then you've got knowledge. Here, you can upload up to 20 documents. Think of it like giving your GPT its own private library, your company's internal data, style guides, whatever you need it to know.
Okay, but here's where things get really interesting. A custom GPT isn't just about knowing stuff, it's about doing stuff. This is where we give it a real superpower, the ability to take action and interact with systems out in the real world.
So how do you connect a custom GPT to thousands of apps without writing a single line of code? The answer is automation platforms. These tools are basically the bridge that connects your super smart GPT to all the other apps you're already using every single day.
And a tool like Zapier makes this incredibly easy. In the configurator, you just hit Create New Action and import the setup straight from a Zapier URL. You'll have to authorize OpenAI to talk to your Zapier account, of course, and the last piece of the puzzle is to copy a specific action ID from Zapier and paste it back into the GPT configurator. And that's it! With just a few clicks, your GPT can now do things like create Google Docs, fire off emails, or add tasks to your project management tool.
Now, for the pros out there who want maximum control and flexibility, you're not just stuck with third-party platforms. You can connect any API you want directly.
So you've basically got two paths you can take here. The Zapier integration is your easy, no-code option for quick automation. You get access to thousands of apps right out of the box. The direct API connection, though, that's for when you need to build something really powerful and custom, connecting to your own internal systems. It gives you total control over the data and what it can do.
And here's a fantastic pro tip that just perfectly illustrates how powerful this all is. To connect your own API, you need to give the GPT a kind of instruction manual for it, which is a JSON file called an OpenAI schema. Now, writing this schema by hand can be a real pain, but get this, you can use another custom GPT to do it for you. You just feed it the API documentation, and it will literally write the schema you need. It's this incredible loop of using AI to build even better AI.
Okay, enough theory. That's all great, but let's look at some real-world examples. What are people actually building with these specialized AI agents right now?
For content and marketing, this is a huge deal. People are building GPTs that automate the whole content creation pipeline while keeping the brand voice totally consistent. For example, an AI blog writer that walks you through creating a post from start to finish, or a blog to LinkedIn creator that takes that finished article and perfectly chops it up into engaging posts for LinkedIn. There are even specialized bots, like a Meta GPT, just for making ad creation for Facebook and Instagram way simpler.
And it's not just for external stuff. Internally, these custom GPTs can become these incredible personal assistants. Imagine having a Task Manager Pro that automatically sorts your to-do list using something like the Eisenhower Matrix. Or a Strategy GPT that's like having a structured coach right there with you, helping you flesh out new concepts in presentations. And with Actions, some people have built private assistants that can literally draft and send emails for them. Pretty amazing. Then you have customer service and sales. Here, these bots can be your tireless frontline agents. A support GPT can pull from your knowledge base to answer common questions 24/7. You could have a customer dialogue manager trained on technical books to handle really complex queries. There are even creative examples like Bello Ticino, a travel GPT for a Swiss region that not only answers tourist questions, but also slips in affiliate links to generate revenue. And of course, a sales GPT that can whip up personalized offers and follow-up emails to speed up your sales cycle.
So you can see that the leap from just using a general AI tool to actually building your own custom AI team member, well, it's a lot smaller than you might think.
And remember, all that setup work we mentioned at the beginning? It pays off. Big time. And fast. An analysis of professional users showed they can see a productivity bump of up to 35% in the first month of integrating these custom agents into their workflows. That's a huge return.
So what this all really means is that custom GPTs are a massive step forward in making AI accessible to everyone. They're putting the power of these advanced language models into the hands of anyone, no matter their technical skill, to solve their own specific problems. When you build your own, you save time, you get more consistent results, and you can truly fundamentally change the way you work. The bottom line is, the future of personalized AI isn't coming, it's already here.